You know, how did you hear about me again?
Facebook. My wife.
Facebook. She found me on Facebook. Well, perfect. Well, I'm going ahead and get started, Brian. Go ahead and get everything set up and get some of these things treated and get these carpets cleaned. You're gonna see a big difference. And you said you're gonna be downstairs.
Yeah.
So I'll just call you if I need you.
Yeah, just give me a call.
All right. Thanks, Brian.
You need anything in the bathroom? You don't need anything?
No. Okay. Good morning, guys. Courtney Truman Steamers. Today is September the 11th. I'm on my first job of the day. Show you guys what we're doing. A total of 6 areas, 1 hallway. That's a total of 325. This customer you just heard, his wife found me on Facebook. So we got that area, this area right here. You see they got all the furniture moved out that they wanted moved out of here. So that's one thing we do, to ask our customers to move as much furniture as possible. And then we got these 2 bedrooms right here, and here. Now right here, guys, we got a lot of organic staining, so I'm going to treat those first before I put down my initial pre-treats. I'm going to go ahead and start treating all these organic stains. And he actually thought it was extra charge. I told him, no, we don't charge extra for treating stains. But I'm going to go ahead and treat these stains, and I'm going to get a good pre-treatment made up. And I'll come back and show you guys some good cleaning results. These carpets are definitely going to look better once I'm done. Get some light in here. Let me move this out the way. But yeah, guys, first job of the day. And then after this, I'm going to go meet Kevin and on a hardwood job that we're doing for a customer that found us on YouTube. Has a lot of wax on her hardwood floors. So we're going to be removing the wax off the floors today too. So you guys will see some of that shortly once I'm done here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Pull up my cellar door, my corner guards. Beautiful day today. I'm out here. Where am I? I forgot where I'm at. I think I'm in Houston. Where am I? Where's this job located? Yeah, I'm in Browserton. So this is Browserton, Georgia. All right, guys. Go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Giving y'all some CRB action. Got these real matted down high traffic areas. Working that pre-treat into the fibers. Really, really good. All right, got that room right there. Alright guys, you can see how much better those carpets are looking already. Continue to let that pre-treat dwell and work into the fibers. Alright guys, I am extracting the carpets now. Looking great. And you can just really see how well the CRB did by itself. So you can see the area I cleaned right there. Now you know what guys, I just thought about it. Today is Wednesday, so this day next week I will be heading to Vegas for the Experience convention. Just a convention where a bunch of companies showcase their products, machines, and marketing material and marketing tools. And a lot of cleaners going to be there, so you guys will see me next week in Vegas. My wife will be going with me too, and hanging out with a bunch of my cleaning buddies. A lot of my buddies are going to be there, so that's going to be great. Can't wait for that. It's my first time ever going to Vegas. Let's go out there and have a blast. All right, guys, I am done. The carpets look amazing. The client or the customer actually came upstairs and took a look. He was like, wow, that does look a whole lot better. So you can see the carpets look a whole lot better. There were some trouble areas where I told him I could do a post-treatment, but couldn't guarantee that those stains would go away. He said they have been here for 20 years, and as he can remember, the carpets have only been cleaned twice. So these are some great results for carpets that have not been maintained. Okay, so we got this. I'm also going to treat some stains back here in one of these bedrooms. This room right here. They got the hallway. Now these things do look better before I started, but still gonna go ahead and treat them some more with the post-treatment. And now I'm about to head over here and help my guys on this job. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. Courtney Truman Steamers, and I'll see you guys in the next one.